Assuming that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and generally need to know where the costs of Cardano, ADA, will go from now on. We will especially investigate the precise past costs of Cardano, ADA, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, in opposition to mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense remember that you really want to basically take this expectation and each truly other forecast with the goal that this certainly is just the idea of some market master examiners, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Not to really specify foreseeing something so wonderful as totally unimaginable in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, we will generally make an honest effort, which is genuinely critical. We should begin, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano most certainly past value examination as per the sort of the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Cardano by and large is 25 cents, and ADA sort of is at present position number 7 in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of Cardano essentially is 35,124,040,760 with a market cap of $8,628,184,518. In the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been in a real sense diminished by 0.98% in its ongoing worth, in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Cardano by and large is confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in an all things considered, significant way. The ADA basically is down to nearly 4.08% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense, recent days, the coin could essentially major areas of strength for have in any case, we don't really believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA diminished by 45.180%, dispensing with an astounding typical amount of 20 cents from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be in every practical sense, great purchase and open door for truly fast interest in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 35.32%, and the cost coursed from in every way that really matters, least normal cost of 37 cents to greatest normal cost of 39 cents, in the for the most part beyond 90 days. Cardano explicitly is somewhere near 8.75%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around 27 cents, and the base extremely normal cost of for the most part was around 26 cents in beyond 4 months. We by and large foresee future Cardano cost expectations ADA figure, by applying profound really man-made brainpower, help specialized examination on the kind of past value information of Cardano. We give a valiant effort to especially gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which most certainly incorporate commonly various boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume and not many more. In the event that you truly are looking to truly put resources into advanced digital currencies and generally need great profit from essentially your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking especially. Cardano Value Expectation 2023, according to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of 33 cents, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 37 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 34 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 Cardano cost for the most part is conjectured to by and large arrive at a least conceivable degree of 50 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme genuinely conceivable degree of 58 cents, with the very normal conjecture cost of 51 cents. In spite of prevalent thinking, ADA value estimate for 2025 the cost of Cardano is really anticipated to reach at the very least worth of 73 cents in 2025. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 89 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 75 cents all through 2025, in a genuinely significant manner. In an unobtrusive manner. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2026 Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced kind of conceivable degree of $1.08 in 2026, which is very critical. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme truly conceivable degree of $1.30, with the fundamentally normal figure cost of $1.11 incredibly. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Cardano essentially is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.58 in 2027. The Cardano cost could arrive at a very most extreme worth of $1.82, with the fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $1.64 all through 2027. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. As per our by and large profound specialized examination on most certainly past value information of ADA, in 2028, the cost of Cardano by and large is determined to be at around a kind of least worth of $2.37. Incredibly, the Cardano value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $2.74, with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2.45 in United States dollars in a quite enormous way. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2029. As per our very profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2029, the cost of Cardano truly is anticipated to explicitly reach at any rate level of $3.53, or so they in a real sense thought. The ADA cost can generally arrive at a greatest degree of $4.17, with the typical exchanging cost of $3.63. Cardano Value Figure 2030. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach at any rate value worth of $5.03. The ADA cost can basically arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.28, with the typical worth of $5.18 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2031. The cost of Cardano in every practical sense is anticipated to truly reach at any rate level of $7.19 in 2031, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Cardano cost can basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $8.78, with a genuinely normal cost of $7.45 all through 2031. In an all things considered, significant way. Cardano Value Forecast 2032. The cost of one Cardano fundamentally is supposed to generally reach at least degree of $11.17 in 2032. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $12.87, with the typical cost of $11.47 all through 2032, which really is very critical. Cardano Value Figure Facts. How much does Cardano cost in 2024 in a by and large significant manner? The cost of Cardano will increment as additional financial backers engage in the task. In year 2024, Cardano will especially be worth about a normal cost of 51 cents in a significant manner. What amount will Cardano be, all things considered, worth in 2030? As far as value, Cardano in every practical sense has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels, in spite of mainstream thinking. It is conjecture that ADA will increment in esteem in a significant way. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Cardano can stir things up around town cost of $12.87 till 2030, which essentially is very huge. How high might Cardano at any point go?